I got this 2-tier 10-inch bamboo steamer from Costco recently, and I'm gonna try it out. So I'll help you decide if you wanna buy it or not. Today we're gonna steam some Wagyu beef dumplings and some vegetables. Let's open it up. This is the stainless steel ring. And here's your bamboo steamer. Please wash with a brush. Be careful of hurting one's hand. It doesn't say please wash before using it for the first time, but maybe we should anyways. You get 2 baskets for steaming and the lid. Pretty simple. After washing, we're gonna do some steaming. We're using our reverse osmosis water so we don't get any chlorine gas in our food. And this fits on there perfectly, so this must be a 14-inch pot. Steam for about 10 to 12 minutes. On the bottom, I'm going to put the dumplings. And as you can see here, my wife put some parchment paper down with some holes in it so the steam will rise through it. Okay. Put this on top for our vegetables. Obviously, you can put whatever vegetables you like. This is what we have today. Put on the lid. Set it on top. And I'm going to steam it for about 10 minutes. For those of you who didn't know, the steamer basket is an ancient Chinese cooking utensil. They were originally made out of pottery, but over time they evolved into using bamboo. The vegetables look good. Let's try it. It works good. If you're looking to get a new steamer basket, I recommend it. It works great. And these dumplings are good too. I've never tried these before. My son made these beautiful paper flowers for my wife for Valentine's Day. We got a gift today from one of the people from our audience, and let's open it up. And if you're new to this channel, what I'm referring to is the Jeff Mara podcast channel. Let's open it up. It's from Mit and Dit Home Decor. It's beautiful. It's an 11-inch tall Mit and Dit ceramic flower vase with handles. And it says, "This is my gift for you for your wonderful podcast. All the best to you, Jeff and Mara, from Julia O'Sullivan." Julia, thank you very much for this vase. Spring's coming soon, and this will be perfect to put flowers in. It's an awesome day here in South Texas. It's February and it's about 75 degrees, so the weather is perfect. Hopefully it'll stay 75 for a couple months, because once the summer gets here, it'll be almost 100 every day, and that's when we don't want to go outside until the evening. It's just brutally hot. One last side note, and that is about the vegetables. If you like your vegetables steamed a little crisper, then you might want to do 5 minutes instead of 10 minutes. So it all depends on how you like your vegetables. That's why it's good to put your vegetables on top so you can easily check. And if you want to take them out, then you can just remove the whole basket and leave the bottom basket. And Mika is a little bit uncomfortable. She's trying to get up or something. She doesn't know what to do. Is she going to stay or is she going to, she decided to stay. I guess she just wasn't in a comfortable position. She's almost needing a haircut. It's getting close. She could probably go another month or so, but you know that she's ready when the hair on her feet gets too long and you can't even see her feet anymore. You just see these white socks on her feet. I'm digging out a lot of this old dirt. It was mixed with mulch and it may have had pesticides in the dirt and who knows what. So as you can see down in here, I'm digging out a lot of it and I'm going to replace it with fresh organic dirt. And then we're gonna build an awesome vegetable garden here. We have a problem with squirrels and we cover them, so that helps, but they ate all our eggplants that we had here before. And they're actually getting into the house and into the roof, so they're really starting to become a problem. And the other day, my wife was outside and she saw the squirrel that just came down from the roof and it had like a mouthful of insulation. So it's getting into our attic. And I don't want it to become a bigger problem and start destroying stuff in the house. I just bought a squirrel trap on Amazon that I'm going to trap them and be humane and try to move them somewhere else. We have a neighborhood park not too far away, but down the hill over that way, and I'm going to take them and move them down there, and hopefully they'll create a nice new home for themselves down there. This is the squirrel trap, and our squirrels are very smart because we've tried different foods so far: carrots, apples, dog food, and none of it's worked. I think the next thing we'll try is either bird food or peanut butter. The way it works is there's a little door here and they go in the door to get the food and then it closes behind them. And then we can carry them off by the handles, and then once we get where we want to release them, we just open this up and open the door and out they go. It also has another opening over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate you. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe. And if you have any certain recipes or things that you would like us to cook, then let us know in the comments section below.